Good morning, Tim N7 KOM here, and I am joined by Chris.
Whiskey 7, Mike Tango Bravo.
And we are wrapping up our ascent of Gray Butte in Central Oregon, kind of behind Smith Rock. We'll be playing some HF from up there, and I'll also be talking about the best go bag for ham radio portable operations. So stick around. Oh, snowing back over there.
Oh yeah, sure is.
All right, we are up here on Summit, and Chris is going to try working with the AX1, the Elecraft AX1 vertical antenna off of the Z-Tech ZM2 ATU. All right, while he's setting up, I'm going to go review some go bags, so come with me this way. All right, we're going to go behind this shack here, get a little privacy. All right, today's topic is brought to you by Taco Bell. So we're gonna get this started. Take a bite of Taco Bell here. Oh, it's been a long time since I've tasted that. Okay, today I'll be reviewing 3 different go bags for ham radio portable operations when you need to go. So the first one here is called Toilet to Go. You can get these at your local gear shop, and this is probably the most comprehensive package out of any of the go bags. So we have a couple different materials here. We have an outer silver Ziploc. It comes with a little bit of toilet paper and a wet wipe, which is nice. And then we have the inner. It's actually a pretty large package here. So attached to this silver Ziploc bag is actually the go bag here. So what you're going to want to do with this is, if you have a bucket, stick this in the bucket and wrap it around, and then you know, go. Okay, I don't have a bucket, so I think I'm just going to hold it. Oh, I can feel the Taco Bell already. Oh, 1 second. Oh. Okay, so once you're done, you're gonna want to pull. Oh God, careful. You're gonna want to pull these tabs and tighten there, and then stick it down into the bag. And the Ziploc portion can go down into that. It actually has some like kitty litter or some smell detergent in there, and so you're going to want to get some of the air out of there, because it will take up a lot of volume in your bag. And then just Ziploc that nice and tight. You're ready to pack out that waste. Okay, so that's go bag number 1. I'd say it's a good package. It's nice that it comes with TP and the wet wipe there. So I'm gonna, well, I'd say the downside is that it does kind of require a bucket, or you gotta hold it underneath you, which can be a little bit awkward if you're on a slope or something. It can be a little precarious. So I think I'm gonna, because of the extra amenities, I'm gonna give it a 4 stars, but 4 stars because you do kind of have to hold it underneath you. All right, 4 stars with the Toilet to Go, anytime, anywhere. All right, we've done a bit more operating. I got a little hungry, so I'm gonna take another bite of Taco Bell. Okay, go bag number 2. And this is one you can DIY pretty easily. It comes from the Mount Adams Wilderness at the trailhead there. They got a big box of this for everyone to use. So it comes with an outer Ziploc bag. Open that up. And then this inner package, we're gonna want to keep that bag. It has some directions here. Let's give this a little read. There are health and resource concerns due to the accumulation of human waste, feces, along the climbing routes of Mount Adams. The Forest Service, in partnership with climbers, has developed this human waste pack-out system. Okay, the directions here. User should defecate on soil, snow, or secured paper target. Put paper target and feces into brown bag containing cat litter. Or pick up feces with paper towel and place paper towel and feces into brown paper bag containing cat litter. Do not urinate into paper bag. Fold paper bag securely and then double bag with a second paper bag. Place the double paper bag into plastic bag. Push all the air out before zipping it closed. All right, so let's look at our package here. And this includes a little bit of TP, or well, that's more of a paper towel, so that's nice. And I think there's some of the kitty litter spilling out there, but there's paper bag number 2. Here's paper bag number 1 with the kitty litter. All right, so I think what they mean, oh hey, look at that, here's the paper target. So all right, what you do with this is you set it on the ground and put, you know, rock or snow on the corners to hold it. So no snow here, we're gonna use some rocks. Oh yeah, okay, I can feel the Taco Bell starting, so I'm gonna put this on the ground, and then we have a nice target here, so excuse me. Okay, so got our double paper bag, and again the first one has cat litter and of course the waste that was on the paper target, and it is a little difficult to pick up if it's a big one, so be a little warned there. And then this goes into our Ziploc bag, which, oh, that is just made to size, so squeeze a little of the air out to get this in. Oh man. All right, so we're gonna squeeze that out and tighten this up, get that air out. Okay, this one not too bad. The cat litter is a nice touch. That'll kind of help keep the smell down while carrying this on the trail. The paper bag thing is a little sketchy though. There were some holes in the bottom of my paper bags, both of them, so that wasn't great. The paper target was a little small. If it was a little bigger, I think it would be easier. Yeah, I'm gonna give this 3 out of 5 stars because you know, it was provided free at the trailhead, which is a nice touch. The cat litter will keep the smell down on the trail. The paper towel provided was not sufficient though. I think a little extra TP would have been nice. You know, you got to use a rock or a snow otherwise, which is not super ideal. But all right, so 3.5 out of 5 stars for the Mount Adams Go bag, and this is something you can make at home too. Okay, let's go operate some more radio. All right, got some more contacts in the log there. Getting a little hungry again, so why didn't I grab hot sauce? NA7ET there. Other contact was W6POT. Okay, Okay, the final go kit I will be reviewing today are the infamous blue bags from Mount Hood. You can pick these up at the trailhead when you sign into the climber's log. All right, and we have a little piece of paper with some instructions here, so I'll give this a read. Blue bags are used to eliminate the human waste problem from the backcountry travelers and climbers in the high alpine section of Mount Hood. If everyone does their part to leave no trace, when climbing, Mount Hood's highest reaches will remain pristine. To use, go to an area away from the climbing routes or rest areas and defecate on the snow. Then collect the waste and toilet paper using the blue bag as a glove. Once in your glove, pull it closed and secure it with a twist tie. Place the blue bag inside the clear bag and secure with a twist tie. Feminine hygiene products should also be packed out. Pack out the bag with you when you leave the mountain. Learn more about how to leave no trace when traveling in the backcountry by visiting lnt.org. Leave no trace. Okay, so got our instructions. This one did not come with a TP, and I did add a bit of my own in there, so recommend doing that. I can feel the Taco Bell hitting, so I'm gonna be right back. Oh. Oh. Okay, so with that one, we got a few extra zip ties here, so got my blue bag going in to the clear plastic one, and then get some of that air out, and then we'll secure. Well, let's twist it up and secure with a zip tie. Now this is a design that you could also make with you know, the regular doggy bags that you have for walking your dog. I would maybe, if I was doing this at home, I would upgrade the clear outer bag with a Ziploc, just kind of as an added protection there, make it a little bit easier on you. No kitty litter with this one, so it does smell when it's in your pack. Yeah, I'm still gonna give it a 3.5. Oh, I'll give it a 3 out of 5 stars. This is free at the trailhead when you sign in to the climber's log at Mount Hood. So that's nice. It's great that they provide these. The double bag is a nice feature. You still have to bring your own TP, so I recommend doing that when using this style of bag. Other than that, yeah, 3.5 out of 5 stars for the Mount Hood kit. Easy to make kind of a knockoff at home for you. And you know, that wraps it up for the best go bag for ham radio portable operation. When you are out operating portable, hiking, skiing, whatever, leave no trace when you're out there. And if you're interested in learning more about Leave No Trace, you can go to lnt.org. Link is down below for that. So remember, have fun playing radio, be safe, and pick up after yourself. All right, I'm Tim N7KOM. Catch you next time. All right, well, the weather blew in pretty quick here, the snowstorm. So we are QRT headed down. Thanks for joining us. I'm Tim N7KOM. Like and subscribe. Nice.